Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.9% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold drop 0.4% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices slipped from a more than 5-week high, but held above the key $1,900 level as expectations grew that the US Federal Reserve would dial back its rate hikes after the collapse of two big regional banks. The dollar languished near a multi-week low as fears of a broader systemic crisis following the collapse of a US tech-focused lender left traders speculating that the Federal Reserve could pause its aggressive rate hiking cycle. NatWest has joined the ranks of UK banks, imposing restrictions on its customers making payments to cryptocurrency exchanges. Customers will be limited to payments of £1,000 per day and £5,000 over a 30-day period.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 1000 hours GMT. The French Consumer Price Index will be released at 0745 GMT. Japan's exports at 2350 GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.